Welcome to the Second World Community Channel. In today's episode of Science vs. Legends, we delve into the captivating realm of the Giant's Causeway. Join us as we uncover the fascinating clash between scientific explanations and mythical tales surrounding this geological marvel. The Giant's Causeway is an incredible natural attraction that has captivated visitors for centuries. With its unique and stunning basalt column formations, it offers a breathtaking sight and an opportunity to witness the wonders of geological processes. The geological formations of the Giant's Causeway are truly awe-inspiring. The hexagonal basalt columns, neatly interlocked with each other, create a surreal and otherworldly landscape. It's fascinating to see the precision and symmetry of these columns, which are a result of volcanic activity and rapid cooling of basaltic lava. The way the columns stand tall and stretch out into the sea is a testament to the forces of nature and the intricate patterns formed through geological processes. Exploring the causeway is an adventure in itself. Walking along the well-maintained paths and stepping on the column tops feels like traversing a natural puzzle. It's a unique experience to observe the different shapes and sizes of the columns, from the iconic hexagons to the occasional pentagons, heptagons, and octagons. The sensation of being surrounded by these towering stone structures evokes a sense of wonder and invites contemplation about the Earth's long history. The location of the Giant's Causeway adds to its allure. Perched along the rugged and scenic coast of County Antrim in Northern Ireland, the causeway offers stunning views of the sea, cliffs, and surrounding landscape. The crashing waves and dramatic cliffs provide a picturesque backdrop that complements the magnificence of the causeway itself. Comprising around 40,000 interlocking hexagonal basalt columns, the Giant's Causeway stretches over an area of about 40,000 square meters. These columns were formed as a result of intense volcanic activity that occurred approximately 50 to 60 million years ago. The cooling and solidification of lava flows led to the formation of these magnificent polygonal columns. The columns at the Giant's Causeway vary in height, but most of them are around 12 meters, 39 feet tall. The regularity and symmetry of the formations give the impression of being carefully crafted by human hands, lending an almost mythical quality to the site. Visitors to the Giant's Causeway can also explore the visitor center, which provides informative displays, exhibits, and interpretations about the geological significance and cultural heritage of the site. The center offers guided tours, audio guides, and interactive experiences, enhancing the understanding and appreciation of this natural wonder. The Giant's Causeway is a place that sparks the imagination and fuels curiosity about the Earth's geological processes. It's a testament to the beauty and power of nature, and a reminder of the incredible forces that have shaped our planet over millions of years. Whether you're a nature enthusiast, a geology lover, or simply someone seeking a unique and memorable experience, the Giant's Causeway is an absolute must-visit destination. The Giant's Causeway is a unique and mesmerizing natural formation located on the northern coast of County Antrim in Northern Ireland. It is renowned for its distinctive polygonal columns of basalt rock, which create an otherworldly landscape along the shores of the Atlantic Ocean. Legends and science provide different perspectives and explanations about the Giant's Causeway. Legend and folklore surround the Giant's Causeway, adding to its allure. One popular legend tells the tale of two giants, Finn McCool or Fiann mac Cumhaill, from Ireland and Banandaner from Scotland, who engaged in a rivalry and threw colossal stones at each other, creating the Causeway. According to the story, Finn McCool built the Causeway to confront Banandaner, but upon seeing the gigantic Scottish giant, he fled back to Ireland, destroying parts of the Causeway behind him to prevent Banandaner from following. The remaining columns on the Scottish side are said to be the remnants of the Causeway. Legends surrounding the giant's Causeway, such as the popular tale of Fiann mac Cumhaill and Banandaner, add a touch of mythology and folklore to the formation. These legends often involve larger-than-life characters, epic battles, and supernatural elements, capturing the imagination and wonder of those who hear them. On the other hand, the scientific explanation of the giant's Causeway focuses on geological processes and evidence. It attributes the formation of the basalt columns to volcanic activity and rapid cooling of basaltic lava. The process of columnar jointing, where the lava contracts and cracks into hexagonal shapes, is seen as the primary mechanism behind the creation of the columns. While legends provide cultural and historical richness to the giant's Causeway, science offers a factual understanding of the geological forces that shaped it over millions of years. It highlights the significance of volcanic activity and the natural processes that contributed to the formation of this remarkable natural wonder. Both legends and science play important roles in our understanding and appreciation of the giant's Causeway. Legends allow us to connect with the heritage and storytelling traditions of the region, while science helps us unravel the geological mysteries behind this extraordinary formation. Ultimately, the blend of legends and scientific knowledge adds depth and intrigue to our experience of the giant's Causeway. The Legend of Giant Causeway. The Giant's Causeway is a famous natural attraction located in County Antrim, Northern Ireland. It is renowned for its unique geological formations consisting of interlocking basalt columns. These columns were formed as a result of volcanic activity millions of years ago. The Causeway has captivated people's imaginations for centuries, and various legends and myths have emerged to explain its origin. Here are a few notable legends associated with the Giant's Causeway. 1. The legend of Fiann mac Cumhaill, Finn McCool. This is perhaps the most popular legend connected to the Giant's Causeway. According to Irish folklore, Fiann mac Cumhaill, a mythical Irish giant, was challenged to a fight by a Scottish giant named Banandaner. Fiann accepted the challenge and built the Causeway across the sea to reach Scotland. However, upon seeing the enormous size of Banandaner, Fiann realized he was no match. In a clever act, Fiann's wife disguised him as a baby. When Banandaner arrived and saw the enormous baby, he assumed that Fiann must be an even greater giant. Fearing the size of Fiann's child, Banandaner fled back to Scotland, tearing up the Causeway behind him. The columns that remain are said to be the remnants of this Causeway. 2. The creation by giants. Another legend suggests that the columns of the Giant's Causeway were created by a race of giants. The story goes that giants, who were skilled stonemasons, built the Causeway as a pathway across the sea. These giants were said to have constructed similar formations at other locations along the coast of Ireland and Scotland. 3. The Battle of the Giants. In this legend, it is said that the Giant's Causeway was formed by two warring giants, Fiann mac Cumhaill and Banandaner. As they hurled huge chunks of earth and stones at each other, the columns were created from the fragments. The causeway served as a battlefield for their epic clash. 4. The formation by a witch. According to a different tale, a witch or sorceress named Malinette was responsible for the creation of the causeway. It is said that she turned people into stone and petrified them into the distinctive column shapes, thus forming the Giant's Causeway. These legends have been passed down through generations and have contributed to the sense of wonder and intrigue surrounding the Giant's Causeway. While they may not have a factual basis, they add a touch of magic and imagination to the natural wonder that continues to fascinate visitors to this day. The science of Giant Causeway. The Giant's Causeway is a remarkable natural formation that has fascinated scientists for centuries. Its unique geological features can be attributed to a volcanic event that occurred approximately 50 to 60 million years ago during the Paleogene period. Here's an overview of the scientific explanation behind the formation of the Giant's Causeway. 1. Volcanic activity. The causeway's columns were formed as a result of intense volcanic activity. Around 50 to 60 million years ago, during a period of volcanic eruptions, a massive volcanic plateau known as the Fulian Plateau was formed. This plateau, located in what is now known as the North Atlantic region, experienced extensive lava flows. 2. Basaltic lava flows. The lava that erupted during the volcanic activity was composed mainly of basaltic rock. Basalt is a type of volcanic rock that is rich in iron and magnesium and has a low viscosity, which allows it to flow easily. 3. Rapid cooling and crystallization. As the basaltic lava flowed across the landscape, it came into contact with the cool waters of the sea. The rapid cooling of the lava caused it to solidify quickly, resulting in the formation of distinctive polygonal columns. These columns are the most prominent feature of the Giant's Causeway. 4. Columnar jointing. The columns of the Giant's Causeway exhibit a hexagonal shape, although other shapes such as pentagons, heptagons, and octagons can also be found. This pattern is known as columnar jointing, and it is a characteristic feature of basaltic lava flows. Columnar jointing occurs due to the contraction and cracking of the lava as it cools and contracts, creating a network of fractures that form polygonal shapes. 5. Erosion and geological forces. Over millions of years, geological forces and erosion, including wave action and weathering, have shaped and exposed the columns of the Giant's Causeway. The sea has eroded the softer sedimentary rocks surrounding the basalt columns, leaving the columns standing tall. The scientific explanation for the Giant's Causeway emphasizes the role of volcanic activity and the rapid cooling of basaltic lava, which resulted in the formation of the distinct hexagonal columns we see today. This explanation is supported by geological evidence and is widely accepted within the scientific community. In conclusion, the Giant's Causeway is a natural wonder that can be explained by scientific processes. The formation of the distinctive basalt columns is attributed to intense volcanic activity around 50 to 60 million years ago, during which basaltic lava flowed across the landscape. The rapid cooling of the lava upon contact with the sea caused it to solidify quickly, resulting in the formation of the hexagonal columns through a process called columnar jointing. Over millions of years, erosion and geological forces have shaped and exposed the columns, creating the remarkable landscape we see today. While there are various legends and myths surrounding the Giant's Causeway, The scientific explanation provides a solid understanding of its formation based on geological processes and evidence. Today, the Giant's Causeway is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a popular tourist attraction. Visitors can explore the site by walking along designated paths and stepping on the interlocking basalt columns. The unique geological formations, breathtaking coastal views, and intriguing folklore make the Giant's Causeway a must-visit destination, providing a glimpse into the Earth's geological history and the power of natural forces. Join us next time on the Second World Community channel as we continue to unravel the mysteries of the world, exploring the delicate balance between science and mythology. Until then, keep questioning, keep exploring, and keep embracing the wonders that